there, but I ain't gonna get that far.
No, he's in La La
I
Land.
still want to know my name.
Right? He's got first class tickets to La La Land right now. First class.
No,
Hey,
he
Doug.
is in La La
Yeah.
Land.
Listen, Doug, what's your name?
Doug.
Okay.
Oh, nice. Nice. All right. You got me on that one. Right?
My name's Doug.
Right? Yeah. You want your cigarette lit?
I
Or
thought it
you
was
putting
General.
on
You
for your
lied to
makeup?
me. Charles, you lied to me. You said it was General.
Douglas General MacArthur.
You told me earlier your name was Darth Vader. What the hell?
No, I was Darth Vader during the game.
No, but you were talking about how
game.
he was Darth Vader before, and
This is the game.
whatever planet on the thing was his hometown. He
A
said.
long time ago. What did you say?
I said that when we first started the game, he said that he was Darth Vader, and that whatever the hell planet on the game, that he said that's my hometown, and that was like fucking hours ago. So now you see.
You know what?
That was fucking hours ago.
I'm going to be here all night long. You're listening to the Lilac on 98.5.
Light your cigarette. You're gonna have that's gonna go stale.
I know, right? He's trying to quit.
That's gonna go stale.
Do you want me to light it for you? I'm not going to blow you up. I just wanted to light it for you. I'm trying to be nice.
Watch this. She put a cigarette load in there.
Boom.
We couldn't afford fireworks, so we're just going to blow up Doug.
I believe so much in the work that they do that I've decided to become a voice in advocating for the Together